it's time to push the button. Please welcome your hosts, Ant and Dick.
Welcome to Push the Button, the brand new game show where two families go head-to-head in a battle to take home a massive cash prize.
We've got games that are big and daft, we've got families who are raring to go, and we've got to be out of here by 9 o'clock, otherwise Ant's in breach of the terms of his ASBO.
What can I say? Wrong time, wrong place.
Could happen to any one of us. Now, thousands of families applied for this show, hundreds auditioned, and this week we surprised our first two. They haven't got a clue what to expect over the next hour.
Both families have had their lives turned upside down, and it all started on Monday morning. They had no idea they'd be appearing on the show until we turned up on their doorsteps in Coventry and Warrington. Come on! Here's what happened.
Just walk over alone, shall we? I'm sure she'll be fine with that. I'll give her a knock, and hopefully she's out of bed. Morning!
Good morning. We're here to tell you... We're here to tell you you've made it to this week's show.
Oh, my God.
You're on the show this week.
Oh, my God, oh, my God, oh, my God.
Who are you going to call first?
Well, this is my mum, but I'll have to ring the workshop that she's in. Come on, Mum.
Hello, darling.
Hi, Mum, you OK?
I am, thank you. Are you?
Yeah, thanks.
Where are you?
At home still.
Carol,
Hello?
it's Deck here.
I love you, Dad.
Come here, you.
Oh, my God.
Well, you raced around, didn't you?
I've got a taxi driver, he can't speak.
We haven't got the studio yet. Hello. She's flashing.
No, it's flashing.
The beams are falling out. It's happening. Get in here, you. We've been waiting for you. How are you? So which poor fella has to put up with you forward again? I feel sorry for Ian already. I haven't even met him yet. How are you? You all right? So here we go. The team's complete then.
I think the whole of Team Greenwood are so up for the challenges. I'd put myself out there, put us forward to do this. You can't be in that opportunity and say no to something.
If we win the money, I would love nothing more than to have my house fully double glazed.
So, we've arrived at Mum Helen's local supermarket to give her a surprise and tell her she's on the show.
Let's do it. I'm bleeping your bagging.
Oh.
I can't believe I'm on bad duty. Why can't I be on the checkout?
Seen her. She's on her way.
Push comes, push comes.
Oh, my God!
Hi, Helen.
Hi, Helen.
You're on the show this week.
Oh, my God! I'm so excited! I'm on Coventry!
Good girl.
Who's in, just remind us?
My partner, Simon,
Yeah.
and my daughter, Naomi.
Right.
you made it onto the show this week.
Yeah.
We're just waiting for Melissa, Daniel.
Yeah.
We've got a full team.
Bring it on!
Come on in. Come on in.
And the next time we see you, we'll be in the studio. Group hug.
Come on, good ball.
If we win, we're going on a family holiday.
I think we've all got the skills, we've all got the confidence and the personality to win it.
Words could not describe what it means to us to be on the programme.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Greenwoods and the Fosters! Welcome to the show, guys. Ready, Greenwoods?
Ready, Fosters?
Ready, everyone?
Okay, then. First things first. We're going to give you both £100,000, eh? But, and it's a very big but, neither of you are going to finish the show on that amount of money. You see, you're going to go head-to-head in 4 games that are all cunningly designed to knock money off that total. After you've played those 4 games, the family with the most money will get the chance to win the lot in the big finale.
OK, let's get started with game number 1. Our families don't know everything they're in for tonight, and they certainly don't know who's playing our first game. So I can now reveal that first up for the Greenwoods is Lucy Beth.
And playing first for the Fosters tonight, it's Melissa. Melissa, come on up here and join us for the first family face-off. Come on, girl.
Now then, Lucy Beth, Monday morning was pretty exciting, wasn't it?
Monday morning was the most surreal morning of my whole entire life.
And it wasn't just you. I mean, you all got excited, didn't you? Yeah, you all did. Especially, we saw it earlier, especially Danielle. She popped out a little bit. But I've just got to clear something up. It was the fillet she wears.
My sister's not got the biggest boobs in the world, so she has to wear a fillet as well. And then she jumped around, got so excited, and she just...
I'm scarred for life. Listen,
I quite enjoyed it.
no need to be nervous. You're OK now, you're up here?
I'm fine.
OK, with the very best of luck tonight.
Thank you.
Melissa,
Hello.
what about the Fosters? A lot of money at stake tonight. I guess you've all had a quiet week preparing for this, haven't you?
Oh, it's been the most exciting week ever. We've had 2 things to celebrate. When you came on Monday, but then it was Daniel's 18th birthday on Tuesday. So we all went out and had a bit of a kind of social outing for that, and someone had a bit too much. Not mentioning any names, Daniel. Sore head. Yeah.
We can let him off with that. Right, well, I think it's time we showed you both our first game. You ready to see it?